Yes, I am.
Okay, boys, now page 40. The topic is boiling and melting. You know that the boiling temperature of water is 100 degrees centigrade. 100 degrees centigrade. And the melting point of ice is 0 degree centigrade. Okay, if you bring ice on 0 degree centigrade, it will melt. And if you bring water, if you put water on 100 degree centigrade, it will boil. Big idea is every liquid has its
What,
own
Mister?
special. Page 40. Every liquid has its own special boiling point and melting point. Okay, so here you can see some of the points which are related to different things, different substances. So you can write. Sometimes we want to have water that is very hot. The equipment above is being heated to make it safe to use in operations. The hot water kills microorganisms. Where have you seen or used very hot water? We use in winter. Why must why must we be very careful with hot water? Because it can hurt us or it can burn us. How do you know that water is very hot just by looking at it? Because we can observe steam, very hot steam. Temperature tells us how hot or cold things are. To measure temperature, we use a thermometer. We measure temperature in degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius. This is written as degree, means this small zero you can see up, degree, and Celsius means C. Label the diagram of the thermometer by completing each box with the correct common substance from the word bank. So in word bank we have words: hot coffee, bath water, freezer, ice, fridge, hot tap water, boiling water. So we have here points.
Yes.
You should write and memorize them. Okay. Now open page number 42. Here is the topic is same, boiling and melting. You know that boiling temperature of water is
Advance cat
100.
cat.
Sultan, put your
خلاص.
mic on mute. Boiling temperature of water is 100 degrees Celsius and the melting
Mister
point of
page
ice
42.
is, yes, 42. Point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Big idea is boiling points and freezing points can be measured. Can be measured. Okay, so here we have one investigation activity. When a liquid cools, it changes from liquid into solid. Like if you put this water into plastic bottle or any bottle and put it in deep freezer or freezer, it will become ice, it will freeze, which is solid. This is called freezing. On the right side we have page 42. Each different liquid will freeze at a certain temperature called its freezing point. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. You will remember that solid water is ice, is called ice. When water freezes, it increases in size. It increases in size. This is why a full glass of bottled water might break if you put it in a freezer like this. If you make it full and put it in freezer, it may break because when liquid becomes solid, water becomes ice, it takes more space. Why are frozen pipes? Why? Let me finish, Abdullah. Why are frozen pipes a problem in very cold countries? Because it takes ice can crack the pipes because it
مستر
takes.
عادي تقول بالعربي بالإنجليزي عشان أفهم.
Fahad, let me finish. I said, let me finish, please. Ice can crack the pipes. Yani if you see in cold countries, there are pipes cracked. Why? Because water becomes solid, yani water becomes ice in the pipe and it wants more space, but there is no space.
finish.
So the pipe becomes cracked. If you heat a solid to high enough temperature, it will begin to melt,
Start.
right? Begin to melt. Each different solid will turn into a liquid at a temperature called its melting point. Like here you can see chocolate is melting. So it's its melting point. Okay, a clue about melting. List four things that you have seen melt, which are melting like this. Ice, wax which is in candle, chocolate and butter. It's mean juban, butter. Okay, you understand, right? Okay, boys, now we have page 43. Here you can see in the picture the ice lolly is melting, right? The boy in the picture is upset. His ice lolly seems to be disappearing. Why? What is really happening to ice lolly? Because heat of the sun is causing it to melt. There is sun, you can see here. So heat is there, so it is melting. What advice can you give to the boy to help him keep his ice lolly for longer? Put it in 0 degrees Celsius to keep it frozen. If he puts in the freezer, he can get it frozen. Not all the same. Different substances have different boiling points and melting points. This is vital, otherwise we wouldn't have the three states of matter on earth. Everything would be in the same state, water or solid, liquid or gas. Okay, next on the right side, we have some substances, we have melting points and their boiling points in degrees Celsius. So number one, we have question. Look at the table above here. Which two substances are
يقول انت
liquids
بالبوق
at 25 degrees Celsius? At 25 degrees Celsius, we have water, which will be liquid, and diesel, which will be liquid on 25 degrees Celsius. Which five substances are solids at 25 degrees Celsius? They are chocolate, salt, iron, copper, and candle wax. Which substance would have to be cooled to nearly minus 220 degrees Celsius to make it a liquid? That is oxygen. Okay, that is oxygen. Amazing facts. Water only boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. On mountains, it will boil at lower temperatures as the air is thinner. On the highest mountains in the world, water boils at 71 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is it for today, boys. Thank you.